Guys, today I'm going to change the engine oil for this Kawasaki versys 650 2019. So it's time to change my oil filter and engine oils, everything new. Here is a oil filter. So I'm going to change this oil filter, put back replace a new one. And I have engine oil. I brought this one from Auto Parts, 1040 motorcycle, ATV oil. This is the right engine oil. So we need a 1.8. I have a 1040 over here too. So I'm going to clean I'm going to change the engine oil first, and after that I'll clean the chain too. So I have a chain brush to clean it. Then spray. Spray is right here. So everything ready. This is a tools for cleaning the chain for motorcycle. Yesterday I got this one from the Amazon. So it have a really useful. This is a useful brush. It's very easy to clean the chain too, See, it's really nice. And another side, single brush. That's the double. So you can pull back like this, and just you put on the first gear with the stand like this. See? And when you clean the chain, just stand, double stand. You have a space over here from the ground level. You just put on the first gear and just rotate slowly. Don't use the throttle. And just when you start to rotating this one, slowly moving, that's enough for cleaning. Just spray, I'll show you later. So I'm going to do it. First I'll change the engine oil and filter. So this is a good tools, for cleaning the chain. So it's very safe, full also. I feel safety this one. You don't have to put a finger on the chain. It's very dangerous. Don't put a finger over here, okay? This is a cruise point. So yeah, my dear friends, keep watching. Before I change the engine oil, I have to run the engine just little bit, like at least 1 minute, 2 minutes, Because if you run the engine, start the motorcycle first. If you run the engine for 1 minute, 2 minutes, so engine get more warmer, and the previous engine oil will be melting good. And it drain good, So we need to easy to drain 100%. Not 100%, 90%. It will be drained. Everything removed from the just previous one. So if you did not start the motorcycle, and if you did not warm the engine before change the engine oil, it's not good to refill. First one. So I'm going to start my motorcycle first for warm up my engine for a while. Alright. First, you need to remove this cover. It's sitting here. I just screw off. So easy to do that. So here is a drain plug for engine oil. You don't need to screw off other one. Just only the bigger one right here. From the direct straight to the shifting gear. So yeah, this is the right screw for engine oil drain. I cover this exhaust pipe with this aluminum foil. So when you drain the engine oil, so maybe it goes with the exhaust pipe. So it's better to protect this one from the greasy, So this is the best idea to cover with a foil, aluminum foil. So for this nut and bolt, I need a 11/16 socket. This is a right size 11/16 socket. So I will use this socket for to remove this. This is a right size, yeah, it can fit. So I'm going to remove this nut. So I already loosed the board for engine wheel. So I'm going to loose this one slowly. See, this is the right time to change the engine wheel. So you need to check the washer too, sometimes it was broke. You need to make sure this one still looks good. So I don't have to replace the new one. I'll forget the same one. I usually change the engine oil by myself. I won't take in dealer for service. So, we can do at home too, by safely. Just use idea. We can get idea from YouTube. I used to watch YouTube, so I get this knowledge from the YouTube. Some of my friends, they post over there, so I watch that video and get idea. So yeah, we can do. There is a oil filter. So I'm going to change that one to 0. So it's done. So we need to check the level later. So right now the engine oil, the level is empty. It's nothing remain over there. So it's still dripping over there. Almost done. So we refill the engine oil later from here. This is the actual way to refill the engine oil from here. So right now the level is empty. I think it's okay to refill the engine oil. So everything is completely drained. So here you go. I have to open this one, remove the filter first. I'll replace the new one and then I'll put back the drain plug and then I'll refill the engine oil, the fresh engine oil. I'll show you later, okay? Hello guys, I'm going to remove this oil filter. So yeah, you just mop little bit, not hardly, slowly. So start to remove here. So, this is the oil filter. See that? So I have to replace this one too, new one. So I'll show you later, okay? When I put that. Hello guys, this is a new oil filter. I ordered from the Amazon. This is a right size. This is an old one and this is a new one. So I'm going to put back this one. Before you install, put back, you need to put a little bit oil around this surface of the oil filter. I recommend it to do this one first. So you need to put the oil around this washer and it circulate the good, so nothing dry over there. Yeah, so this is enough. Alright, I'm going to put back this one. Just you can do use the hand tight on the beginning. You don't need to use the tool from the beginning. Just hand tight. It's good enough. So refill the new oil. I'll check the level later, okay? Guys, finally the engine oil, the level is good. So it was on the middle. So this is the right level for engine oil. The stand need to be on the level. So I'll start the bike, okay? I'll start the bike. Now we check the level. It was down a little bit, right? Because the engine is starting. So if the engine oil level is too low, we need to add more. So I'll just keep running a little bit for a while, like 2-3 minutes, and I'll recheck the level. Guys, I'm going to clean the chain. So too much dirty, rusting. So we need to clean all over this area. Make sure it was clean. So I have to clean the chain too. Inside the bearing there is a lot of dust. So I already removed this one. I will use this lubricant for clean the rust, dust, it helps to remove the dust. Now the chain is very clean. See? No rusting. It's very smooth.
The Sphinx Virtuosi gave that concert at Clemson University in Clemson, South Carolina. A concert presented by...
Yeah, finally I'm done now. I put back all the chain cover and engine cover. So, yeah, it's good now. Thank you guys for watching my channel.